Hello and welcome to HD Calcs. I'm Rick, and in this video we're going to have a look at how we can use and work with logs on the TI-34 Multiview Texas Instruments calculator. To do that, we'll use the second function key that looks like this, located here, and the probability key with the second function of log that looks like this, located here. Getting started, if we just want to do a basic log, which is a log base 10 of, for example, 100, so log of 100, all we have to do is go second, and then PRB, and then from this menu here, choose number 1, log. So we can just hit enter. Now we see log on our screen, and like we said, the base log is base 10, so we just go ahead and enter the 100, close our bracket, and hit enter. And we see the log of 100 is equal to 2. What about the ln or natural log? For example, the ln of 100. To do that, again, we go second, PRB, and we see here to the right is ln. So we scroll over to the right, so it's highlighted, and then we see number 1 is ln. So we select that with the enter key, and here we get ln or natural log with the bracket, and we enter the 100, close the bracket, and hit enter. And we see we get 4.60517, etc., which is correct. What about a log that isn't base 10 or natural log? For example, log base 2 of 100. Unfortunately, I'm not aware of a way to set the log base on this calculator beyond a log base 10. So what we have to do is use the change of base formula. So if we want to solve log base 2 of 100, what we have to enter is the log of the 100 divided by the log of the base, in this case 2. So we go second probability log 100, close our bracket, divided by second probability log 2, close our bracket, hit enter, and see we get the result of 6.643856, etc., which is correct. Thanks for watching, everybody. I really hope this has been helpful. If it has, you can help me out by hitting that like button and subscribe for more calculator tips in the future. And, as always, good luck on those tests out there, everybody. You've got this.